Sunglasses are a crucial component of the outfit. A classic style can be created with a matching pair of sunglasses. There are various types and styles to choose from to suit different face shapes, personal preferences, and occasions. Here are some popular types of fashion sunglasses. Rectangular sunglasses, round sunglasses, cat-eye sunglasses, wayfarer's sunglasses, square sunglasses, clubmaster sunglasses, colored lens sunglasses, oversized sunglasses, sporty sunglasses, gradient sunglasses, shield sunglasses, flip-up sunglasses, butterfly sunglasses, heart-eye sunglasses, aviator sunglasses,